Dear viewers, if you see Ascensive Educare Limited, their major footprints are in the year of 2012 they have incorporated a company as private limited. 2013 they have achieved revenue more than 100 lakhs of rupees. 2014 implanted the state government of department and NSDC as a skill training provider. Empanel TP in India, first ever skill certification scheme known as a STAR, National Certification and Monetary Reward Scheme. 2015 becomes a funded partner of NSDC, National Skill Development Corporation, and touched 300 lakhs rupees milestone in terms of revenue. 2016 expanded over northeastern state like Sikkim, Assam and Mizoram, not Sikkim. 2017 expanded more southern part of India and western part of India. 2018 expanded across 8 states of India, achieved revenue from operations of more than rupees 500 lakhs. 2019 established 2 Pradhan Mantri Kushal Kendra in Tripura and Meghalaya and expand in the other state of northeast and other part of India including Jammu and Kashmir become the operational in 14 state and UT across pan India. 2021 they have achieved revenue operations from more than 1000 lakhs of rupees. Conversion into the public limited company. Dear investors and viewers, this is one of the fast growing company because they have started in the year of 2012 itself. So since Educare has become limited in 2020, and dear viewers, they have based in Hooghly, West Bengal, and their corporate office is located in Kolkata, West Bengal. So dear viewers, if you see this company has doing amazing kind of business within Educare sector. Dear viewers, we can say Ascens Educare basically having a 105 employee with the 44 training centers. If you see their 44 training centers, believe me, it may be franchises model because the way they have expanded their training centers is like from Kolkata based company has focusing into the Rajasthan, then Kerala, then Tripura we can understand, but the Kerala and Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir probably it is a franchises model we can say because they are having a presence in Madhya Pradesh also, Indore, Mandsaur, Madhya Pradesh, then Ratlam, Madhya Pradesh, Vidisha, Madhya Pradesh. So this is the way they are working. So according to us, it is not easy to do the large amount of investment into the market by the single person, but there is the people who has doing the tie-ups, and that's the reason they can achieve their target of 1000 lakh of revenue. It's not easy to pick up. Basically their main objectives are to carry educational institution like school, college, coaching classes, and to carry the courses in all subject and branches of engineering, science and medical, commerce, industrial and commercial, arts and management, and any other faculties of education, and run management and computer training institution. To carry the business providing solutions and the services to the educational helpline for various educational courses, various professional academic courses in India and abroad, running the coaching center, own franchises, affiliations in the various academic institution and university, impact training, tutorialing and towards admission or any placements of pupils, carry out and contractual job under the government scheme in the field of education, providing online educational facility, etc., online computer software repair services, e-commerce, telecommunication, electronic products, sell, resell, import, export, online, offline, computer software, hardware, sales services, computer producers, distribution, exhibitor, financer, import exporter of IT technology. To carry a business, online computer software export, import, online software repair services, e-commerce, telecommunication, electronic product sales, resells, and import and export, online and offline computer software and hardware sales services, computer producer, distribution, exhibitor, financier, and import export, IT technology, software, hardware and networking solution, and product development and marketing, IT and IT enabled services, providing e-commerce in B2B and B2C, is the global training, placement, consultancy, testing, automation, process consulting, and re-engineering management consulting services, SaaS and PaaS platform services, green and CCR consulting. To acquire sales and any business house, business process outsourcing, knowledge process outsourcing, and collaboration, joint venture with the IT field and other areas of operation in all kind of caring training center, and recruitment of the placement of the IT professional and training institutions. So we can say over here the company is based in, basically they are Ascensive Educare started on 26 December 2012, and they are based in Kolkata at Ascent Enclaves 1110 Ras Bihari Avenue, Photogora, Chandannagar, Hooghly, West Bengal 712136, where their corporate office is 32 second floor, First Salt Lake City, Bidanagar, Kolkata, West Bengal 700064. AscensiveEducare.com is their website name, so you can find their further information on their website to know their strategies. And yes, absolutely, this company is having a 155 employees, and if you see this, this is the way they are working over here. And we can say yes, absolutely, the company is long term, because establishing any kind of business growth in a small short term period, achieving your target and all, it's not easy. So if you are interested to invest in this company, you can invest it. As a retail investor, we can say you can invest after the listing also, or if you have money, you can invest around lakhs of rupees to buy their shares. Choice is yours, investors. Have a great day. Welcome to Radivej Finance. We are presenting Ascensive Educare Limited SME IPO 2022. Dear viewers, if you see, there are 4 IPOs are going to be in this week only. So Ascensive Educare Limited IPO details 2022. This IPO opening date will be 30 December 2021. IPO closing date will be 4 Jan 2022. Issue type is fixed price issue. IPO face value will be 10 rupees per equity share. IPO price is 26 rupees per equity share. Market lot will be 4,000 shares. Minimum order quantity will be 4,000 share, and listing at Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE and SME. So their promoters names are Abhijit Chatterjee and Miss Sayani Chatterjee, where basis of allotment date will happen on 7 Jan 2022. Initiation of refund will happen on 10 Jan 2022, where credit of shares to your demat account will happen on 11 Jan 2022, and IPO listing date will be 12 Jan 2022. Pre-issue holding for the promoters end will be 100%, and post-issue shareholding will be 72.95% only. So dear viewers, if you are aware about this, basically this company is into educare. And if you see, there is a lot of companies which are coming into the market and which are booming. One is an education sector, and if you invest into this company, buying at least one lot or minimum will be the same, which may cost you 1,04,000 rupees only. So this is our suggestion to retail investors. If you are unable to buy this much amount of shares, you can buy the shares after listing also. This will become a fixed price issue. That's the reason it will be listed on 26 rupees only on the day of listing. There will be no fluctuation in the price. So you can watch and let us know your opinion in the comment box. Thank you by Prithvish Finance. In the year of 2022, we will improve our video. So wait and watch till that time. You can subscribe our channel. Have a great day, guys, and happy new year to all of you.